Welcome to Matthew YouTube channel. In this class, I am explaining about differentiation. See the problem. Differentiate x square minus 5x plus 8 into x cube plus 7x plus 9 by using product rule number 1. Second one, obtaining a single polynomial expanding the product. Logarithmic differentiation. So, these are the three cases which are to solve. In three cases, we can find the differentiation. See what happened. First, you can take product rule. Case 1. Case 1. Product rule. What is my product? It's nothing but multiplication. Yes. So, given y equals to x square minus 5x plus 8 into x cube plus 7x plus 9. Okay? This is the given problem. Now, we want to do differentiation in the product form. What is product form? Differentiating with respect to x, we get dy by dx equals to dy by dx of x square minus 5x plus 8 into x cube plus 7x plus 9. Now, here we can use d by dx of uv formula. What is d by dx of uv? U dv by dx plus v du by dx. This is the formula, product rule. Okay. Now this is u, this is v. Okay. So u x square minus 5x plus 8 into dy by dx of v 3x square plus 7. Why? Because differentiation of constant is 0. Okay. Plus v means this x cube plus 7x plus 9 into du by dx. Du by dx of this 2x minus 5. Yes, differentiation of x square is 2x, minus 5x is nothing but minus 5, plus 8 0. This is this. Now expand. Multiply 3x square. 3x square into this one, 3x to the power of 4. This into this one, 15x cube. This into this, 24x square plus 7 into x square, 7x square. 35 x 56. This is over now. 1 2 3 4 5 6 6 terms, 2 3 terms, 23 6 terms total, plus same manner here also 2x into x cube, 2x to the power of 4, 2x into 7x, 14x square, 2x into 9, 18x, minus 5x cube, minus 5x cube, 5 7 is 35x, 5 9 is 45. Okay? Now, simplify this. X to the power of 4 common, 3 plus 2 plus x cube common, minus 15 minus 5 plus x square common, 24 plus 7 plus 14 plus x common, minus 35 minus 30 plus 80 minus 35. Next constants, plus 56 minus 45. This equals to 5x to the power of 4 minus 20x cube plus 45 x square minus 52 x plus 11. This is d by dx by using product rule. Okay. Now second case, single polynomial expanding rule. Case 2. Expanding rule. Now given y equals to x square minus 5x plus 8, x cube plus 7x plus 9. Okay. Now expand this. Now I will do x square with these three. X square into x cube, x to the power of 5. X square into 7x cube. X square into 9 plus 9x square. 1 over. Now minus 5x. Minus 5x to the power of 4. 35x square. 45x. 8x cube. 56x. 72. Okay. How many terms? 3, 3, 9. 3 into 3, 9 terms. 3, 3, 3. Okay. Now this is y. Differentiating with respect to x, we get dy by dx equals to 5x to the power of 4 plus 21x square plus 18x minus 20x cube minus 70x minus 45 plus 24x square plus 56 plus 0. Okay. About that formula, x to the power of 5 means 5x to the power of 5 minus 1 means 5 to the power of 4. Same manner, 7 into 3x square, 21x square, in the same manner. Okay. Now 5x to the power of 4 cube minus 20x cube squares 21, 24, 45x square, the x and x, 18 minus 72, 70x, 18 minus 70x minus 52x, constants, minus 45 plus 56 plus 11. This is dy by dx. This is in second place. Okay. 4x to the power of 4 minus 20x cube plus 45x square minus 50x plus 11. Okay. First case and second case are equal. Now we want to do third case. Next, case 3. This is logarithmic see here, given y equals to x square minus 5x plus 8 into x cube plus 7x plus 9. Use log on both sides. Use log on both sides. We get log y equals to logarithm of x square minus 5x plus 8 into x cube plus 7x plus 9. This is what log m n equals to log m plus log n. That is the formula, you know. Now I will use that formula here. Log m log n, log of x square minus 5x plus 8 plus log m plus log n, log of x cube plus 7x plus 1. This is n. This is log y. By differentiating on both sides, by differentiating with respect to x on both sides, we get 1 by y dy by dx. Yes, what is dy by dx log y? dy by dx of log x equals to 1 by x. In same manner here, 1 by y dy by dx. This one, 1 by x square minus 5x plus 8 into 2x minus 5. 2x minus 5, this is 0. Same manner, plus 1 by x cube plus 7x plus 9 into 3x square plus 7. 3x square plus 7. Why? Because differentiation of this here. Now equals to 2x minus 5 divided by x square minus 5x plus 8 plus 3x square plus 7 divided by x cube plus 7x plus 9. Okay, this is 1 by y dy by dx. Now 1 by y dy by dx equals to LCM x square minus 5x plus 8 into x cube plus 7x plus 9. This is LCM. Yes. Now this into this, 2x minus 5 into x cube plus 7x plus 9 plus 3x square plus 7 into x square minus 5x plus 8. Okay, now expand this. I will do with 2x into x cube to the power of 4, 2x into 7x 14x square, 2 into 9 18x, 5 minus 5x cube 35x 45, 6 terms, 2 into 3 6 terms, plus same 3x square into x square, 3x to the power of 4, 3x square into 5 minus 15x cube, 24x square, 7x square, 35x, 56. Okay, divided by x square minus 5x plus 8 into x square plus 7x plus 9. Now this is 1 by y dy by dx. dy by dx equals to y into y goes to right side, that is in numerator. Left side y is in denominator. Whenever it goes to right side, that is in numerator. Yes. Now common x to the power of 4. X to the power of 4 common. 2 plus 3. Next, x cube common. Minus 5 minus 15 plus x square common. 14 plus 24 plus 7 plus x common. Minus 35 plus 18 minus 35 minus 35 plus constant plus 56 divided by this one, x square minus 5x plus 9. Now this is y, this is y, so this gets cancelled. This equals to, therefore dy by dx equals to 5x to the power of 4 minus 20x cube plus 45 x square minus 52x plus 11. This is the required answer. Please observe here, in all three cases, there is a product, expanding and logarithmic. All three cases have the same answer, same result. 5 to the power of 4 minus 20x cube plus 40x square minus 50x plus 9. Therefore, case 1 equals to case 2 equals to case 3. Differentiation, all the three cases are equal. In this way we can do the problem. Okay guys, in this way do the problem. Please practice this, remember carefully. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe, like and share it. Thank you.